Hi there, and welcome to CodingPot. If you've ever struggled with centering a div, you're in the right place. In this video, I will show you 3 ways to center a div. We'll use a parent container with a dark blue background color and a child div with a light blue background color. For these methods to work, we'll set the height of the parent container to 100 VH, so it takes up the full height of the viewport. Method 1. Using Flexbox, to center the child div with Flexbox, add display flex to the parent container. Then, use justify content center to center the child horizontally and align items center to center it vertically. With these properties, the child div will be perfectly centered within the parent container. Method 2. Using CSS grid. The second method utilizes CSS grid. Set the parent container to display grid and then use the Place Items Center property. This property is a shorthand for both Align Items Center and Justify Items Center, ensuring that the child div is centered both horizontally and vertically within the parent container. Method 3. Using positioning. The third way to center the child div is by using CSS positioning. Set the parent container to position relative and the child div to position absolute. Next, apply top 50% and left 50% to the child div. To fully center it, use transform translate -50%, which means translate -50% on the x-axis and -50% on the y-axis. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.